Palgey-Maim Limited was founded in 1973. And since then, the company has been involved in flowing infrastructures covering a wide range of their various aspects: reclaiming affluents for irrigation, water supply systems, removal and treatment of wastewater, urban and agricultural drainage, storing runoff water and wastewater in reservoirs. In all these fields, Palgey-Maim manages the initiation of system construction as well as the operation and maintenance of water and sewage systems, including wastewater treatment plants, engineering planning, on-site supervision, geodetic measurements, surveying, project management, operations, and maintenance. The large number of diverse fields in which Palgey-Maim works facilitates a steady stream of information among all its employees, in addition to mutual enrichment based on the accumulated experience in each one of these fields. The company has ISO 9001 certification for all the areas in which it works. The shortage of fresh drinking water and the need to find creative solutions to the treatment of municipal and agricultural wastewater led to the emergence of unique solutions integrating different technologies. There is also a need to improve wastewater quality and reclaim them for irrigation in separate systems while maintaining the required quality. To solve the problem of pollution and take full advantage of the purified effluents as a resource, Palgey-Maim has developed an alternative to exploit agricultural land and the range of available reservoirs to create a wastewater treatment system which is different from the one proposed for crowded urban areas. Palgey-Maim's holistic approach to this problem led to the initiation of practicable research for investigating alternatives for wastewater treatment. The company has worked to obtain all the statutory permits, brought together all the wastewater suppliers and the potential consumers for the effluents. The company has also constructed piping systems and pumping stations to collect the wastewater, as well as wastewater treatment plants, a system for discharging the effluents, storage facilities, and furthered the supply of effluents. In this way, the Valley Cities project for the purification and disposal of wastewater was established. Previously, the wastewater from the cities, towns, and villages all around the Jezreel Valley was allowed to flow by gravitation down into the valley, thereby causing serious pollution and a considerable nuisance in many instances. The project called for the laying of a pipeline covering 82 kilometers. The construction and modification of 48 existing reservoirs with a capacity of 10 million cubic meters. A system of remote control and monitoring was constructed to integrate communication technologies that are wireless, cellular, and based on the internet, and facilitate the system's operation and supply of water with service of the highest standards. When it comes to filtration, Palgey-Maim has acquired over many years knowledge based on a combination of experience in the field, together with research on the issues of adjusting filtration systems to meet the needs of irrigation technologies. The Water Reclamation Project supplies water to agricultural and industrial consumers, and for more than 10 years now, it is managed and operated by a team from Palgey-Maim. The system takes into account the water quality demanded by the various consumers, while applying a unique operating plan to fill the reservoirs that enables the required qualities to be attained with optimal energy consumption. Palgey-Maim is experienced in the planning and construction of water systems for irrigation covering an area of tens of thousands of hectares. These systems include pumping systems, chlorination apparatus for use with gas or liquid, filtration systems, fertilizing systems, control and monitoring systems, main pipelines and irrigation technologies for drip irrigation machine, sprinklers, and more. Over the years, the company has planned and constructed 75 reservoirs with a total capacity of 60 million cubic meters. This experience also includes earthen reservoirs and the use of sealing technologies with plastic sheeting. The company has considerable experience in adapting the hydraulic installations to suit the reservoir's structure and the application of the knowledge which has been accumulated in the field of subterranean drainage. As salification of agricultural land in the Jezreel Valley increased up to the point where the soil structure was ruined and lands abandoned, Palgey-Maim launched a comprehensive systematic treatment plan to solve the problem. The following actions were taken. Preliminary research was directed to identify the problems and formulate solutions. Development and implementation of an integrated drainage model, including gravel wells and deep drainage. General and detailed planning of the devised solutions. Management of the project's budget in cooperation with the Jewish National Fund, Ministry of Agriculture, water commissioners, local regional councils, farms, and similar groups. On-site supervision of the work and measurements. As part of the project, subterranean drainage was carried on approximately 5,200 hectares of land. With the aim of lowering the drainage base in the valley, the main riverbeds of the Kishon, Adashim, and Mizra rivers were rearranged and deepened along 13 kilometers. Moreover, the lake at Kfar Baruch was redesigned to serve as a side reservoir with a gravitational inflow while maintaining the embankment to restrain the flooding effects. Palgey-Maim specializes in the planning and operation of wastewater treatment plants, using many different technologies and exploiting the knowledge which has been obtained over 15 years of experience. Among the different technologies employed are activated sludge, MBR, SBR, membrane installations, and extensive plants. Up until now, the company has initiated and managed the construction of 20 wastewater treatment plants and currently operates 14 installations using various technologies in addition to 200 pumping stations. The plant's operation includes process engineering and technicians' work at the plant. Palgey-Maim has 2 specialized laboratories for carrying out chemical, biological, and microbiological tests of the wastewater. Palgey-Maim has gained unique experience in operating a plant for treating wastewater originating from the food industry, Tanuva. The plant, operated with the SBR technology for treatment, has a daily capacity of 4,000 cubic meters and a load of 3,000 milligrams per liter COD. After treatment, the water is supplied for use in agricultural irrigation. Palgey-Maim supplies and operates a system for the supply of effluents to power stations, Alon Tabor and Gezer, run by the Israel Electric Corporation. At these power stations, a special technology is used to upgrade and soften the effluents in volumes of up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour. One of Palgey-Maim's sections engages in measurements, in planning roads while using GIS systems led by a qualified surveyor. In the field of electricity, the company provides services for the planning and supervision of electrical systems and specializes in water installations, wastewater plants, and main infrastructures. The company has gained considerable experience in the planning and construction of fish breeding ponds using both extensive and intensive technologies, including reservoirs, storage ponds, fish harvesting methods, feeding systems, and similar features. Palgey-Maim has designed systems for the collection and separation of cow manure, treatment of wastewater from milking parlors, walkways, manure drying systems, and additional elements. The planning also includes compost sites, such as the Amakim compost site for the treatment of 150,000 cubic meters of dung per year, and the Stay Eliyahu compost site,